What's up, Kia Wheelie Bro family? Way out here. It's October now, and I haven't ridden in so long. It's kind of sad. We're gonna see what we can do today. I'm gonna really just try my best. I haven't rode, so I'm not gonna push it too hard, but still gonna have fun. So we'll see what happens. Let's get into it. Oh, gas ain't leaking no more for now. We'll see. So here we go. There you go. So my radiator's still leaking a little bit, so I just have to remind myself throughout the day today to wipe the lens of my GoPro, because I did ride I don't remember how long ago it was, back in July I think, which I'm not saying that that's any good, but I didn't use any of that footage though because I had stuff all over my GoPro screen. So got TaylorMade Freestyle out here on a brand new tire, so woohoo! You can tell it's new too. I caught a wrist injury a couple of times ago that I rode, and it just really never has been the same, because it be hurting. Man, this bike feels so good since I worked on it though. There he goes. It dropped too fast and I gassed back into it and it gave me too much. Hey, remember I told you though I worked on the wiring harness? The bike's real peppy now and I wasn't ready for it. I don't have enough brake power to do a stoppie. I don't have enough brake power to stop really, so there's that. My front forks are bent, I think. Gassing into it too much. Did I kick my kill switch? Uh-oh. I'll tell you guys, this bike really is nothing but struggle. Wiring harness messed up, it broke. We fixed it, it broke again. And we fixed it again, so we're gonna see if it works this time. Got a little pep to it now though. Should be good. Oh yeah, it's running good now. cars are. That was a bad one. Woo! Yeah.
There's a fall to it right when you come up.
Yeah.
Does not, when you go so slow, it just wants to
The
fall.
clutch pull kills me though because it doesn't let out until the very end. Woo! I don't want to ride that anymore.